G'day folks, Daddy Murray here from the Murray 6. I'm here with...
Missy.
No, that's Missy down here. Who are you?
I'm Sammy.
Look at the camera and say who you are. Say, hi, I'm Sammy.
Hi, my Sammy.
What are we going to do, Sammy?
To Lego.
What kind of Lego have we got? What is it?
Marvel superhero.
Yeah, Marvel superheroes. Let's open it up then, huh? This one's got Iron Man and Loki.
But I want to build a Loki.
Oh, you use, what that's saying is use the red things to get the blocks out here. You can push the red things up through the holes to pop the blocks out. You don't want to do that now. Okay, so what have we got here, Sammy? What have we got? I think maybe what we can do is we can stick this on there like that. That looks cool. That looks cool. So what have we got here? What's this?
Iron Man.
And what's this?
Car.
Whose car?
Iron Man.
Okay, who's this?
Bad guy.
This bad guy's name is Loki.
Loki.
And is this what he's after, is it? He's trying to steal that, is he? Iron Man's trying to stop him. And look, can you put Iron Man in his car? You can. Relax. Okay, I'll fix his legs up for you. There you go. Maybe you might have to put his arms up a bit to get him in the car. Okay. Oh. What are you having a shook for? You get him in the car now, Sammy. There we go. Look at that. Do you like Iron Man?
Can you get this going for me?
Yeah, we'll talk about that in a bit, matey. We're talking about the Lego at the moment. You like your Iron Man car, do you? It's pretty cool. What did you think of it? Was it easy or hard? It's pretty cool. There were some easy bits to it, but I thought there was a few little tricky bits that you definitely need some adult help with. Because some of them were a little bit hard to push in. But aside from that, the Lego Juniors ones are not too bad to build, are they, Sammy?
Yeah.
Careful, don't want to shoot him too much, you might hurt him. Okay, you're going to say goodbye to everyone now? To the camera.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.
See